Students, good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so today we have prepared a vocabulary bank. We have learned many vocabulary words today and some of them are written here. So we are just recapitulating as to what all vocabulary words we have learned. So the first word is entire. Let's make a sentence on entire. I ate the entire food. Speak after me.
I ate the entire food.
Hatred. We should not have a feeling of hatred for anyone.
We should not have the feeling of hatred to anyone.
For anyone.
For anyone.
Respond. I respond to my teacher's questions in the class.
I respond to my teacher's questions in the class.
Abnormal. He is abnormal and he is also admitted in the hospital.
He is abnormal and he is also admitted in the hospital.
Liable. I am liable for completing all my holiday homework.
I am liable for completing my holiday homework.
Amusing.
Amusing.
I saw a movie
I saw a movie
which was very amusing.
which was very amusing.
So I saw an amusing movie.
I saw an amusing movie.
Great. Now next word is fortunate.
Fortunate.
I'm very fortunate to have a lovely family.
I am very fortunate to have a lovely family.
Here it will be Fortunate. Fortunate. Then comes guilt.
Guilt.
I have a feeling of guilt
I have a feeling of guilt
because I slapped my classmate yesterday.
because I slapped my classmate yesterday.
Awful.
Awful.
I went to a party yesterday,
I went to a party yesterday,
but I came with an awful feeling.
but I came with an awful feeling.
Thud.
Thud.
I fell down from the bicycle with a thud.
I fell down from the bicycle with a thud.
Munching.
Munching.
My rabbit likes to eat munching.
My rabbit likes to eat munching.
I'm sorry. My rabbit likes munching every now and then.
My rabbit likes munching every now and then.
Stunning.
Stunning.
My teacher was looking stunning in the class.
My teacher was looking stunning in the class.
Miserable.
Miserable.
She is in a miserable condition.
She is in a miserable condition.
Dismal.
Dismal.
Dismal means gloomy, sad. Okay. So, she was in a dismal state after coming from the hospital. After coming from the
Hospital.
zealous.
Zealous.
Tarun is always in a zealous mood.
That is always in a zealous mood.
Barrel.
Barrel.
Vihan has a barrel full of chocolates at his home.
Vihan has a barrel full of chocolates at his home.
Gigantic.
Gigantic.
Manas has a gigantic smile.
Manas has a gigantic smile.
Okay, next is remarkable.
Remarkable.
Shubh made a remarkable comment on the discussion.
Shubh made a remarkable comment on the discussion.
What do you mean by remarkable? Remarkable means?
Surprisingly.
Okay, great. Then it is tremendous. It should be corrected. Tremendous. D-O-U-S. Tremendous.
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 T-R-E.
T-R-E.
M-E-N.
M-E-N. D-O-U-S. D-O-U-S.
How will you make a sentence on tremendous?
Ma'am,
Yes.
that yesterday I had a tremendous birthday party with my friends.
Tremendous. Okay, tremendous means good as well as huge. Okay, so I have tremendous amount of snacks kept at my home. I have tremendous amount of snacks kept at my home. Okay, paramount. What is paramount?
Paramount means very important.
Doing holiday homework is of paramount importance to me. Doing
Holiday homework is of paramount importance
to me. Drown.
Drown.
One of the person drowned in the river
Drown in the river
while clicking a selfie.
while clicking a selfie.
Archive.
Archive.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
your method of teaching
your method of teaching
is very archive.
is very archaic.
Please involve
Please involve
some technology in it.
some modern technology in it.
Very good. Now clap for yourself. So our work does not end here because we will use these words in our creative writing, and we will also use these words in our story narration tomorrow. Okay, so bye bye for today.